some people are starting to notice how the community is like breaking down really slowly, and they want to build it up.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Howard Rod from Power 92, Pet Right Takeover.
What's up, everybody? It's Ballinois Bree from Powers for Good.
What's up, everyone? This is Alshon Jeffrey.
Yo, what's up? It's Allen Robinson, wide receiver for the Chicago Bears. I'm out here on 79th in Chicago. Man, it's good to see everybody coming out supporting the black community.
What's going on? My name is Brandon Bro. I'm an artist designer based in Chicago.
My name is Ashley, and I am a part of Powers for Good. It's nice and bright outside. Everyone's enjoying themselves. We got food.
20,000 masks donated, 1,000 cleaning supplies, 5,000 gloves. We got food from Black and Latino restaurants, Mima's Cuban, Harold's Chicken, Ina Mae's, Snapped on the greens, and the baked chicken, a special treat, and deck them out, get them fly. And so I'm just so happy and humbled that so many people showed up and showed out.